Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another weekly recap of events this coming week. This is the week of September 22nd to September 28th. It's all about dancing. Tuesday's all about dancing. Start with a belly dancing class at the Yosemite Yoga and Wellness on the 41, and then swing by to Shut-Eye Brewery for a free Afro-Cuban dancing with Ed Bailey as the teacher. Wednesday, enjoy the Mariposa Certified Farmers Market. And then don't forget to learn about beginner square and line dancing class with the Gold Dusters. Line dancing starts at 5 and square dancing starts at 7. Yoga with Lisa at the Queen's Inn. Just enjoy yoga. Thursday, we're bringing music to the mic. Open mic at Queen's Inn. On Friday, catch some folk music with Kai Osmond at Shut-Eye Brewery. Catch the Transatlantic Guitar Trio in Oakhurst. And then on Saturday, we've got events. We've got events on a Saturday. At the Mariposa Museum and History Center, you have Jesse's Corner pop-up happening on Sunday. On Saturday, there's Coyote Fest in Coulterville, and for all the dog lovers, it's Dog Day at Miller's Landing. Come to the Harvest Exchange at the Oakhurst Branch Library. Take aim on the Sunrise on the Mountain play shoot in Coarsegold. Italia! Savor a taste of Italy at the Elderberry House and finish the night by watching live music at the Queen's Inn on a Sunday kind of blue. On Sunday, we have Turf in the Bog. Again, every week I love to say it, Turf in the Bog at Yosemite Wine Tales, as well as Try It class with John Bach with Mosaics at the Yosemite Gateway Art Center. The reoccurring events this week: take a magical ride at the Moonlight Special at the Yosemite Mountain Sugar Pine Railroad. Gaze at the stars with the Sierra Stargazers that start at Tenaya Lodge. And don't forget to share a community meal at the Oakhurst United Methodist Church. Did you hear? Did you hear? Did you hear? We are looking for nominations for the Yosemite Foothills podcast. So make sure to nominate someone that you think deserves to be acknowledged in our area. Big thank you to the Mariposa Gazette for partnering with us on this podcast. That is your full week at the Yosemite Foothills. There's a full calendar at yosemitifoothills.org. And if you did not hear your event, but you would like to hear more of your events or know of events that are not mentioned on the calendar, please make sure to submit your event to the website, as well as check out the Foothills Under 30 nomination. Thank you so much. My name is Juliet, and I'm so grateful to be here.